What's going on, everyone? Good morning. We're back. Like I never left. Now my voice is fucked up. I will cough in between a lot, but I'm here. You know, had a lot of changes that I was going through. Well, not for myself. Like set up my new trading station. Ordered a new TV. TV didn't come. And I went to go grab one yesterday. So morning, Ash.
Hey man, how you doing? You okay?
Yeah, I'm better. Still just coughing.
Feeling a bit more back to normal.
Slightly getting there. I bought some Vicks candies last night. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that after I have my breakfast.
Man, you need to stick your head over a bowl of hot water. That's what my nan used to do to me, and it still works now.
I'm not doing that.
Man,
I
it clears you out so good.
believe it. I believe it. See here. Good morning, Zainab. Morning, morning. Oh, that's actually not comfortable at all.
Are you on YouTube now, man?
Yeah. Amiri John, what's up? How you doing? No seen in a while. Yeah, I know, bro. Been had a lot of changes come up, and then after the changes, I got sick, so kind of prolonged everything. Darm, how you doing, man? I'm doing okay. You know, I'm I'm doing okay. I'll just have to mute my mic a lot to cough like now. I have a very nasty cough still. My guy's back. Hope he's feeling better. Good morning. Morning, Renee. Welcome. Nickel, good morning, man. How you guys doing? By the night. What's going on, man? Welcome, welcome. Now, I am gonna mark off this real quick here. You can see my screen, can you, Ash? Right?
Yeah, man, I can see it.
Okay. Long time no see. I know, bro. I was sick. First, I was fixing my First, I was fixing my setup, and then I got sick. So just bad timing, man. It was bad timing, honestly. Everyone thought that I died or I blew my account or something. All right. So let's just mark up gold. I'm not gonna wait for extra people to get in to do all that. Um, I already have my higher time frame zones in there. I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna mark off my zones for now, the 4 hour zones that I want to pay attention to. Obviously, there's a resistance right in here, right? Obvious resistance zone, obvious support zone right here. Looks like we're also rejecting it, right? So you see how gold is been coming down. Let's look at the daily. Yesterday's daily candle did make a very strong bullish candle and make the first higher low. Now we're just gonna have to see if this daily candle will reject some type of area to then continue higher, right? Actually, Like what's going on here. I actually like what's going on here right now as we speak. Right, price came down. 4 hour zones. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So yeah, price has been coming down, right? Obviously, but on a daily, before you get a trend reverse, you need to break below. You needed to break below here, which we did, but we need to stay below here. Now we're just jigger jagging about in this area, right? So this is all just a big consolidation area right now on the higher time frames. I'm still bullish on it. I'm very still bullish on us continuing higher, but you have to be able to adapt, right? Especially if the weekly hasn't yet broken close below here, retested here. The weekly still bullish, right? Weekly trumps daily, and we're not even gonna go to the monthly because you need, yeah, you know what I mean. Because by that time, price is already taking a big dump. Excuse me. All right. So right now, only thing I'm waiting for are buys, probably in this area, coming up here soon. Let me go to the 4 hour zone. Yeah, look at that. That's the only thing I'm looking for is buys, probably here. Come down to that daily support. TP is gonna be a little difficult. I would think of TP like right here, right away, just like that, because you're gonna get a reaction right when it. All right, because you're gonna get a big reaction coming to that area, um, and eventually TP here, and then leave runners, because this is a strong zone. This zone right here, resistance, 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 very strong zone, and it's all below this support. Right? Jesus Christ, this is absurd how much bad shit I have in my throat. Might have to put my face in hot water. Alright. So, with that being said, any questions? London session is just full of shit. Most of the time, Asian and New York session are the best. I don't know about Asian because I never traded it. Can't speak on Asian. But I do know about New York. New York's pretty lit. Hey, wait, they have a new tool here. Oh my god. I actually like that. Oh wow. So, look what we have here. What do we have here? Shit, my favorite tool. Have some resistance here on the 5 minute. I'll wait for the. This is a very good. This is a very good. I'm gonna wait for the hour close. This is a very good hour close candle though. Very strong, and it rejected. So I'm gonna wait for the next candle to come down. I'm gonna do this also. What support is okay? Yeah, let's off that support. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the next 1 hour candle to come down. I'm gonna mark it off real quick. I need it to come to these bodies. Make that orange. Dip down below, a little lower into these bodies, and then I'll probably look for a buy. in this range. Nav man, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's like I lost everyone. Everyone thought I was. Everyone thought I was dead. Everyone thought I was ripped. Right? I was actually very, very, very sick. I was sicker than the first time. Like I was very, very, very sick. Insanely, insane how sick I was, man. So now there's two options. Yeah, fuck. You might not even get that retest. Anyway, now there's two options here. Right? Now we know in the back of our head we're cooking up here. Alright, we're cooking up some heat. We're cooking up um a buy situation. Now you have to think in the back of your mind, if we are cooking this up and if we are, gonna be buying, what and how are the things that we need to be looking for? Alright, what are we looking for on the smaller time frames to, take this buy? Alright. On the smaller time frames, one thing already happened. We already broke structure. On the 5 minute, we broke resistance. Broke above it, came back down. Now I wanted to see if it could create, a bearish candle and then add another bullish candle to that. That could be an entry. But I'm not gonna get an entry until 7 minutes. See how this candle closes, because this candle could still possibly very much flip, man. Right? Double bottom. Price wicked. Price couldn't break lower after this big, big, big push down London session. So New York session, we probably could see our way up. Target these equal highs right here as well. What is that? Yeah, see, they already took out the Asian lows, but they haven't taken out the Asian highs yet. No, these are the Asian highs. So if this, excuse me, if this scenario right here wants to play out how it wants to play out, and we do get a buy, could easily target. What's today? Tuesday as well. Yeah, you could target. I'm looking at this level then. If volume is in there, right? Because right now we're just stuck in the zone, right? Confusing a lot of people. I'm still buying. Still only buying. Well, not only. Market's kind of dimmed down, so I could kind of short now as well. Right, but it's safe. It's safe to only buy. Well, no, you can do what you want. Yo, what's going on, Jay? How you doing, bro? Good to have you back as well, man. See if we can have some Timmys pop in today. All right. See for some Timmys. 15 minute, 30 minute. Yeah, we just gotta wait for the 1 hour. I love the 1 hour, how it's closing though. I want a little bit more meat, but I'll most definitely take profit right there at this. I'll probably even here. Right. If we can't break this, then what do you think's next? If we can't break here, if we can't break this area, potentially come lower. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. I hope everyone still has their account while I was gone. Hope everyone managed to trade properly. Right. I don't like that steepness. see here. Four minutes, man. Get a nice close. I hope we get a nice fat close. Nice strong close. That'd be dope. Otherwise, it's gonna have to wait another 2 hours, 3 hours. 100%. Oh man. Kind of hungry. Get rid of this. Yo, good morning, Hot Dusty. How you doing, bro? Welcome back. I appreciate it. I've been gone for about a week and a half or something. I think like I was fucked up. Yo, 50-50, missed you Guala so much. I missed you too, bro. How are you, my friend? I'm doing better. Still have a lot of slime in my throat and a stuffed nose, but that'll just go away with the time, right? But for the rest, I can actually get out of my bed. I wasn't able to get out of my bed not too long ago. Where's gold going? I have sell stops in place. I don't know. I don't know. It should be going up. Oh, I didn't even look at the news actually. Nothing. President Lagarde speaks. Oh, she already spoke. If you have the flu, then try medication. Yeah, I already took medication. The flu's gone. Right, the flu's gone out of my body. Hopefully, now it's just the remaining of the slime and the cold. Now it's just the cold. Flu's gone. Luckily, I had to take like 3 meds. They're like this fat, dude. They're like a gram each. I was like, and then I had to take them like 3 times a day, man. Man, that was kind of horrible. Cause I'll have to take that pill and be after that pill, I'll be just knocked out, asleep. But I did take a lot of medication. I hate medication, but I had to. Man, that was bad. Hmm. Look at that, beautiful. Where do you have a cell stop in place, good sir? Oh, look at that, the last 40 seconds. What a bum. What a bummer. Yeah, that's a bummer. There's no volume. There's no volume. Can't even push break 5 minute resistance. It's 11 a.m. Brussels time. We're gonna have volume in about an hour and 2 hours. Just want to know your usual stop loss in pips. Bro, it all depends. Say I would get them in and buy right now. For example, right? I'm not gonna get in and buy right now, so well, I might. I'm looking to, but say I get in a buy right here, right? Then my stop has to be at least below here, which is then 20 pips, and then you're most definitely always targeting a 2-to-1 ratio. So then you're looking at a 40 pip, you know, Oh, Jesus, Mina, right? It just always depends where, right? It just depends on structure, right? Say if I get in, for example, let's go to just use 1 hours, right? Say if I wanted to get in the sell right here, right? Then my stop has to be above structure, which is the recent structures here. Old structure that you could use could be here, so you would then have to put your stops here. If that makes sense, right? It always depends. I can never have a fixed stop loss, especially not on gold, because gold, you just can't, bro. You just can't, honestly. Gold doesn't care. Gold doesn't care. Below 1921. Why are you selling that low, dude? There's no range. Where you trying to target this wick? You're selling a daily support. You know that, right? Just saying. Why didn't you? Why didn't you? Why didn't you short here? At the break of this, catch this. I would, if I were you, I would wait for price to come up higher, create support, and break that support, and that's your entry. That is your entry. I wouldn't short nothing down here. You're in very very deep sands right there, very strong levels, right, to be just shorting it. I'm looking for a spike down into these lower levels one more time with this 1 hour candle. Let's see if this isn't, and if this isn't the level to buy from. It could be this resistance again, right in here. All right. I liked how this 1 hour closed. Um, Now I just want to see something on the lower time frames. I really wanted to come back down here and spike in here again. One more time. One more time. Come down into here. Spike. Show rejection. Continuate. Break all this. That's really what I want to see one more time. You see like an engulfing somewhere down here in this area, so we can step on that and enter the trade on the engulfing. Chat's kind of dead today, huh? Everyone missed me, but no one has nothing to talk about. Lol. Nah, we gotta get a retest. I don't believe in this 1 hour candle. I'll be back. I'm about to go get my Vicks candies. All right, that's some good shit right there. My nose is already fixed. Yeah, these are dangerous. These are dangerous, man. If you have a cold, they're expensive, but they work. All right. Looks like price doesn't even want to break nothing today, huh? Refresh this real quick. Oh, got some subscribers added already. I appreciate whoever subscribed. I just refreshed. I appreciate it. Um, much love, man. I'm back, officially back. Um, my stuff was. Oh my God, Jesus Christ! There she goes. Fuck. Oh Jesus, Muckamina. Damn. Fuck. 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 Move missed. Well, it's not always missed. Moves never missed. Just this push is missed. Moves never missed. I did shoot up to like 20 pips. Damn though. Fuck man. Shit, dude. Oh man. All I wanted to do was come down one more time and then do that. Fuck. Okay. Yo, our cats, what's going on, man? I believe structurally goals should do that wick fill down there. As always. They're filled down there always. I didn't hear the stream until now. What are your thoughts? Yeah, I don't see wick fills are okay, but I don't really believe in them that much because, you know, sometimes they get filled, sometimes they don't. It's never really a certain thing like right, we're going to go fill that wick 90% of the time or 60% of the time. No, it's like so 50-50 bullshit every time. So, I pay attention to the bodies of the just always pay attention to the bodies and then leave the wicks out because the wicks are just extras. Say if you were in shorts from right here, right? You're gonna TP at these bodies. The wicks are extras. If the price wants to come down there and there, that's extras. But a lot of times, price is gonna come to the bodies of some sort. Doesn't matter what, and it's gonna reject. Right? Look at this. Came to the bodies. Right? It's always gonna come to the bodies of the candlesticks and then reject. The wicks are extra. Right? And honestly, I don't think this wick will get filled. It could though, 100%, but I don't think it will. Yeah, yeah. This whole zone has then already been tapped by this first, this, and then this. Yeah, right. Oh, that's messed up. Missed this trade. That's okay. It's not missed yet. Trust me. Just be patient. Watch it happen. Watch it play out. I'll tell you what's gonna happen. We're gonna reject here, right? Miss, or May. Sorry, we're gonna reject here, right? And then we're gonna close somewhere down like that. And the next candle is going to give you a wick down to continue. That wick down is your entry. Always got to build these scenarios in your head and what's happening to keep yourself cool. But I don't think we're going to break down right now. I think we're going to come up in here for sure and then pull back and then wait for New York to then push price higher. But the move is never missed, man. It only went what? It only jumped by like 40 pips, 30 pips, 36 pips. Wow. Right? I'm flying in profits right now. I'm proud of you, bro. Good job. I was waiting for my confirmation down there at the 5 minute. I didn't get it. That's okay. What about 1895? Man, you making me do detective work, bro. Oh, this wick fill. I mean, yeah. So, same thing. Like, it could potentially come down here and fill, but I don't bank on it, right? I don't bank on it. Let it first break structure before we start, talking about wick fills. You know what I mean? If you look on the 30 minute, there was a trend line. That was your confirmation to buy here. You talking about this? Nice. I like it. I had different confirmations, but okay. Right. Then Ash and Joandra, if you pay attention to what this is, what we talked about yesterday. I'm about to highlight it. Just at the time frame, it's the most recent. Right? We did kind of break below, but they come back to that most recent area. Spiked in there and left. That most recent's nasty. As long as you're trading with confirmations, though. So you had your trend line as confirmations, perfect, bro. Happy for you. I had a couple confirmations. I just didn't have the price action. There wasn't anything, like really anything. The only thing that was the 1 hour, but I still wanted to come down here and tap into the support. But on the 5 minute, there wasn't nothing telling me to buy in here. Nothing. Probably here, potentially here, but then my stop was 30 pips. I didn't want that. Right? Good trade though. Potentially also could have got it. Nah, see, there's nothing here. Nothing here printed nicely for me to feel confident taking this trade. Nowhere across the board. Only on the 1 hour. I love the 1 hour. The 1 hour close of this. I loved it, but no. All across the board, nowhere. I didn't see anything. Nothing. Nah. Nada. Nothing. No price action for me. Only thing, yeah, I was breaking this right here. Probably could have gotten in to break it here. But then you need 34 pips still. And you wouldn't even be up a 1-to-1. So. But now we know one thing, right? What do we know now? what do we know now? That in that area where price rejected from this area from 1923 to 1924, that's buying pressure all through that area, right? But it's obvious, right? But you just saw it live happen, first sight, first view, right? It's obvious. Price came down here, created support again, multiple wicks, multiple rejections, took off. Price broke down, came right back to that area. Created some doji candle on the 1 hour, and now it should be continuing higher. I wanted to reject here, come back down lower, so I could get in for that next push. If it happens that pretty, I don't know. If I miss the move, will I be sad? No. Alright, just gotta be patient now. See what it wants to do. Kick back, relax. Make yourself another coffee. Eat yourself another Vicks candy. Oh, I just dropped one. Alright. The buys were there. I didn't take them. Not enough volume, I don't think, anyway. To push. Chat's boring today, man. You guys suck. You guys suck, man. I want to put someone on the Timmy list. I want to put someone on the Timmy list, man. Already rate that 1895. I gotta get the screen. I gotta get this second monitor screen brightness way up, dude. It's like so dark, jagged, and it will come down to 29.5. It's 4-hour swing point. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. 29.5. Or you mean will it will come up to 4-hour swing point? Oh, you mean here? Or what? Yeah, cause I mean I'm still very bullish, right? But if you look, am I on the Timmy list already? Nah, bro. Nah. You're a beast, bro. Alright. So, if you look, Zoy. Yes, you do have 4-hour support. But what I think, honestly, what's going to happen is, yeah, you can probably bank a sell off of here. But if this 4-hour closes bullish, after you bank a sell up over here, expect the next 4-hour candle to blast through this area. I don't think we're coming lower, dude. I really don't. Could be wrong, but I don't think we're coming yellow. I am on it. Yeah, you're probably on there, but there's a new Timmy list every day. So if you were on a Timmy list like last week, then you got deleted, and now the Timmy list is empty. Right, there is no Timmy list. It's empty, which is cool. Not bad, right? Jesus, my nose is running now. Well, I'm happy to be back. Really, genuinely am. No, I cannot be. Yeah, you can, bro. You can be deleted, bro. It's just for one day. Unless you want to be like the permanent Timmy, head of the Timmys. You can be head of the Timmys. And once I get a super big community, I'll make t-shirts with the head of the Timmies, and they'll be your head. It'll be the head of the Timmies. I'm gonna go work out after this too. I already got my muscle t-shirts on. Yeah. Peace out, bro. Catch you later. I mean, you said you wanted to be a Timmy every day. You know what I mean? How you gonna say, yeah, I want to be a Timmy every day, and I promote you to head of the Timmies, and then you say, this is weird. Bye. Yeah, you're a Timmy for sure for that. Alright, man, I hope we get a rejection coming down. Forever's in buy, sorry, bro, but I need it to come down a little bit lower so I can get in. If it doesn't, then fuck it. Come back tomorrow. But there's this one person, what's his name? Amir John. You gotta be careful with this area, though. 100%, bro. Yep. Be careful with that area, bro. Can we can you please check GJ once and let us know your view about it? I can, but I don't trade GJ. I forget how it moved. I don't know how it moved because I haven't watched it in a while. But I'll watch it. Oh my god, that stuff just took oh Jesus, that stuff just took heads. Okay, so obviously we know what. What do we know? What do we obviously know? Oh yeah. What do we obviously know? Obviously we know. Obviously we know. We're breaking mad structure, right? We're breaking mad structure to the upside. On the weekly, we're just pushing that breaking structure. On the daily, we're printing very healthy candles. So honestly, it's very easy. It looks very. All you have to do, bro, is wait for a pullback and buy it. Now, be careful here where we're coming into this monthly resistance at. What is that? 162.86. Because you might get a spike and then, a little pullback, right? It'll be perfect if you get a pullback into this daily area again and then catch the next swing on the daily time frame. But by the time you get there, and it's gonna take a while. All right, so let's look at the smaller time frame picture. Let's see what could potentially be cooking and where could you cook from. All right, right now, pay attention to this level. All right, that's the first level I'd pay attention to. All right, to potentially just buy, but right now, bro, if you're not into counter trend trading, then only look for buy. But if you are, this monthly resistance does look like it can, right? You could come up in here, let it create the wick. So you don't always want to directly sell at the bodies. You want to let it create the wick first. You want to let it come up first, create the wick. When price action, create the wick, and then you want it to see make lower lows to continue lower. Right? But you're only selling it down to the area of interest to then buy it again. Right? That's if you don't have patience or you like to counter trend trade. Right? That's the take on just real simple and real smooth. Just looking at it, I think GJ is just very bullish. There's nothing else you can do. Just buy the dip, dude. Just like with gold, buy the dip. It's the same thing. Very simple. Buy the dip. How to get in Zoom, Guala? Yeah, I don't know. You gotta be a fucking beast to get into Zoom, bro. I don't think you're there yet. Weren't you leaving our cats? You said GJ's entertaining us. This dude, weren't you leaving? This is weird. I'm leaving. Everybody and their mother trades GJ. Only trade US30 and gold. Real main trade indices and commodities. I mean, you can trade wherever you're comfortable with, bro. Because a lot of people can't trade gold, and I've never traded US30. I never traded NAS. You know, I found gold, stuck with it. Why would I change a different pair? I traded GJ for a while, for like 2 years, damn near. But I feel like GJ was a little too slow for me at times. I didn't like it, right? This move on GJ would take like all day to play out 40 pips. So if you paid it, if you had the patience to hold that, okay. But on GJ, this takes a while. Just this takes a while. You know what I mean? Good for you. What do you mean, Zoe Zoe? But thanks. You're welcome, Ezil. It's very simple. Wait for the pullback. It's already very bullish. When price is bullish, when price is in a very strong trend bearish or very strong trend bullish, it's so easy to capitalize off that market. Literally wait for the dip and buy it. It's so simple. We just had not too long ago, right? This whole move. Oh, it did actually come back down a lot actually. Jesus Christ. But this whole move, man, it was just buying the dip, buying the wicks, man, to continue higher. Now, do I wish I did something different when all this happened? I wish that I held my trades. I just cut them, cut them. I would just cut them and then, look for another opportunity the next day. But I should have held them, dude. I would have made so much money. Right? So, if you're in bias, pay attention here. Hope you're doing good. I'm doing okay, bro. I was way sicker. Now I just have slimes in my throat and in my nose and stuff like that. So I'm taking these Vicks candies. Keep my nose open. Hope you're doing good as well, bro. Alright. You're going to pay attention here. Now let's see if we can get a pullback right to where we came from. Then continue higher when there's volume. That'd be dope. Right? If you get a 5-minute break below here, support. This is your range for people that want to take 10 pips. 18 pips even. Jeez. Look at that. Jeez Louise. That was actually so fast. I didn't even see it spike up and then come down. I just saw it was down. That was actually insanely fast. Right? Now the only thing there is to do is just to wait. Get in on the next pullback. Damn. I had it marked off as well. Fuck. I'm in shorts though. You were just in buys. Oh, you greedy. You greedy. Don't get in the shorts, bro. You're on buys. Once you have a daily bias, Amir John, stick with that daily bias. Simple. I came to the charts looking for buys. I'm not gonna look for shorts now. That gets you hurt. Right? You were already in buys. You have very nice positions. Now look, you're in drawdown because you're being greedy. Or you're listening to me saying be careful with this area. I could say be careful with this area, and then it can blast up like that. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. Gotta be careful, buddy. Greed kills, man. Greed's a motherfucker. Now you done lost profits from the buys while it's still buying. Fucked up, isn't it? I know. I've been there before. Second. Well, are you full time now? Yes, sir, I am. I am, sir. Full time trader. Full in the flesh. Right here. All I do is trade and play video games. I'm also. Who in here knows a lot about sneakers? Because I also just got into that world of buying and selling sneakers. So if any of you guys know more about that, you could DM me, man. If you're really good at what you're doing, shit, I might be your mentee. You can teach me how to really do it. I'll pay you. Rejection. Rejection, 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 rejection. Right now we might get a pullback. Cause this move right here, this move, we're gonna come back down here. Trust me. I have a feeling we're gonna come back down here so I could get in and push, so we could push up for New York. In the meantime, you just gotta wait. But there's nothing here, man. Oh, excuse me. How about you, 50-50? Are you full-time trader? Or do you work somewhere? While selling sinkers? You mean sneakers? Sounds weird. What do you mean? How's it weird that I'm selling sneakers? Doesn't make sense. Alright. I don't think selling sneakers is weird. I mean, it's a it's a business, man. It's a passion actually. I have a lot of sneakers, man. I have a lot of sneakers, dude. Probably like 60 pair. So it's more of a passion than business. And if I can make money from my passion, like this right here, oh shit. For XAUUSD on the 1 hour, let's have a look what you gotta say. You look at the second previous candle. Big red as break of previous bullish structure. I don't understand, bro. I would wanna understand, but I can't. Does anyone lag on TradingView? No. I'm good, bro. I'm on my final year of university, waiting for my graduation. Very nice, bro. What are you studying? Or what are you about to graduate as? Said currently we're testing broken support to continue down. Potentially. Potentially. Yeah. Honestly, we're in a big range, right? We're in a big range. But people are forgetting that we're still bullish, right? We're still bullish. And what do you have here on the 4 hour, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Boom, lower low, lower high. Look at this. This area right here, this resistance, you can even use this whole resistance. That's a previous lower high, right? So on the daily, keep it in mind, on the daily, we have to break below here, close below here, which we did. Run away from it, come back, retest to continue, right? The 4 hour, we came up, broke the last lower high, lower low, lower high, broke it, came back into this area right here, tested the support, right? Created support, pushed up, and now we're forming more support. So what this is doing right now, it's testing people's patience. It is testing people's patience. I honestly think we might see one more wick down into here, potentially here, to fly up and break this high. This is right now. This is something we got to target, right? This is something that we're gonna have to target. This is something we're gonna have to target. This is already done. These stop losses are collected right here. These aren't, right? So that's why I'm expecting a fat wick, fat rejection, one last time, to then clear out these stop losses, and eventually, right? I don't see this coming down anymore, any longer. I see gold coming right back up to where we left from again. Up here, long term. I don't see it coming down. And plus, we're still bullish. On the weekly, you need to break below here. On a daily, you need to break below. We did, but we didn't get a retest to it. We just closed right back above, and now we're trading above it still. Right? Now, this is kind of tricky. It's just ranging, man. It's just ranging, right? That's why you gotta pay attention to the daily candles. See what they did. This daily came down. This daily rejected. This rejection right here told me all I need to know on the daily. That's it. Just one rejection like that. Right into the previous zone of what? Resistance slash support, right? Then the next candle, bullish. Next candle, resistance, right here. Bearish. Bullish. What's this gonna be? It can be bearish. This could be bullish. Who knows? We're fucking ranging. It's dangerous to trade right now. Oh shit. Alright, Joe Andre. Fuck. Oops. Right. I see wicks down to 1918, 1919. Yeah. Probably lower. But I'm not doing any selling right now. Potentially sells could be good as soon as you break here. As soon as you break here, you can take sells. I'm not doing it because I'm bullish. So once it does come down here, I'll just take it right back up. Or it might consolidate here. Or it might consolidate here and then continue higher. One or two. But anyway, I think I've been on stream long enough. I'm about to call it a stream. I already told you guys my plan. It's kind of boring right now. It's just wait and work. You just gotta wait. You gotta be patient. You gotta see what the price action wants to do and what the price action is telling you, right? So with that being said, I appreciate everyone tuning back in. You know, I am back. So I will catch everyone tomorrow morning, same time, same vibes. Only difference is I feel a little bit better. So you guys have a blessed day, man. I appreciate everyone for coming in. Peace.